Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate-raisin oatmeal cookies. Now what you'll see over here. I've got 2 large bowls to mix all their ingredients in. I've got 1.5 cups of oatmeal. I've got half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of raisins, about half a cup of chocolate, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, approximately 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, either warmed up or room temperature, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 a cup of regular white sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. As well, I like to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. It adds a little bit to the taste. Now that we got all our ingredients down, we're going to begin with the flour and oatmeal. We're going to mix that together. Then we're going to add salt and baking soda, give it a mix again, and finish up with cinnamon. Give that a nice little mix and put it to the side. Now we're going to take the other bowl, put the butter in, and I like to put it in the microwave for a bit so it gets a little bit softer and melted. Once that's done, we take it out. I give it a nice little mix so that it becomes this little paste-like texture, and then we're going to add the brown and white sugar and mix all that in. Once that is mixed, we're going to add in the egg and the vanilla extract, and once again give that a nice mix until it turns into this paste-like texture. And that is when we're going to start mixing the actual previous bowl with this one. When mixing, make sure you mix all the flour in so that you don't see any of the little dots of it. Now that all is mixed and you have this rough texture, you can add in the raisin and the chocolate. Next step, take your wax paper and place it onto the baking trays. Now I like to use an ice cream scoop to place the cookie dough onto the baking tray, approximately 1 to 2 inches apart.